Hello everybody, it's once again time to clean the floor, and today I have Murphy oil soap. I typically use this to clean the woodwork in the house, but a viewer requested I clean the floor with it, so that's what we're going to do today. Here's a look at the label. And then we're gonna do just the typical 1/8 cup per gallon. So we can go over to the cloud cam and see what's happening over there. I'm now over at the cloud cam. So 1/8 cup per gallon. Well, would you look at that? We have some clouds. So that's excellent. We'll go back over here to the floor cam. Now back at the floor cam, let's get started mopping. As usual, I will go over the floor twice, and then we'll check out the results. But before I get started, here's a look at the before on the water. Has a pretty nice smell to it. I don't know how I would describe it. It smells clean. And there's one time. And we'll begin the second time, the second pass. Looks like it's doing a fine job. I like my pine cleaners a little better, but this is pretty good. No complaints about this. And after, as you can see, it did pick up quite a bit of dirt. So once again, this has been cleaning the floor with Murphy oil soap, which does a fine job cleaning the floor. Thank you for watching.